Standard Chartered Ultimate Credit Card pricing explained what you get for your money. The Standard Chartered Ultimate Credit Card is designed for rewards enthusiasts, but most people get this wrong. They assume it's just a travel rewards card. The surprising truth is it combines lifestyle benefits, cashback, and travel perks in one package. Pricing starts with an annual fee of around, but the rewards can outweigh this if you maximize points and benefits. Cashback is offered on dining, online shopping, and recurring bills, while points can be redeemed for flights, hotel stays, and gift vouchers. You won't believe the extra perks: lounge access, concierge services, and insurance coverage are included in premium tiers. Most people get this wrong by only looking at the annual fee. The real value comes from combining high rewards rates, travel benefits, and lifestyle perks. For frequent travelers or big spenders, the points earned can offset the cost of the card within months, and the included insurances add additional financial protection. In conclusion, Standard Chartered Ultimate Credit Card pricing reflects the combination of rewards, perks, and premium services. By understanding fees, point accumulation, and included benefits, you go from zero to pro in determining whether this card is worth the investment and fits your spending habits.